In this video, I want to show you how you can turn spam around on the spammers. I'm speaking about blog spam on your own WordPress blog. Okay, now first of all, you're going to have to make sure that you have the Akismet plugin installed. Okay, with that, let's go to plugins here, installed plugins. And in Akismet, when you go into settings, when you first set this up, you need to have a key. You can get the key from WordPress.com. So put your key in there, and once you have that, it's going to start picking up all the spam and it's going to delete it all automatically for you. So it's a great thing in that way. But here's how you can turn it around on the spammers. Let's just go back to my Akismet stats again. You notice that, well, I'm getting progressively worse here, but I've had 380 spam this month so far, and almost all my comments are spam. Okay, so how can you turn this to your advantage? Well, you can make them legitimate comments. Let's go over to comments. Okay, and then let's go over to where it says spam. Okay, now Akismet has already gotten rid of a bunch of these because it deletes them automatically. So you need to come in here every once in a while, and then you can go through any of the comments and see if any of them are any good other than where they've spammed you. Okay, you can see there's lots of links and everything else in here. But you go down and you find any that are okay. Okay, so here's one that we could use. Now, what we can do is we can say it's not spam. And then when we go up top, you'll see pending. Now, what you can do is you can go in and edit it. Okay, and then just take out their spam out of here. Okay, and then you can approve. So we'll set it to approved and update. Okay, and now we have a valid comment. They made the comment. All we did was take the spam link out. Now, of course, in settings and in discussion, you need to have this set so that an administrator must always approve the comments. That's why it went to pending status. Okay, so that's a little bit of a controversial way that you can use spam comments to add more comments to your blog. Now, you might be wondering why you want to do that. Well, because it adds content to your blog, and if they're decent comments, it adds some value to your blog. So that's how I use spam to my advantage.